Hey, how's it going? Well, I thought I'd do a follow-up on the dried out ATV plastic video. These quads have been sitting here all winter, 4, 5, 6 months it seems like, and this one wasn't covered, and that one over there was covered. So let's have a look at the difference. So these haven't moved; they've been sitting here in the snow, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so there's quite a bit of dirt on there. Does seem to be stuck on there, so I'm going to wash them and see how it looks afterwards. But so these haven't moved, so this is just from rain, snow. You see the front here looks like it's dried out again, like it was before I did the transmission fluid. Let's have a look at this one. This one's been covered the whole winter. Get this one covered here. Okay, so this one was not exposed to the elements. It's obviously better. You can see still this is dried out. Probably not much you can do with that. So anyway, I'm going to wash this one and just see how it turns out. Not too worried about this, but let's see how this thing comes out. So let me wash it and then we'll come back. Okay, so I'm just going to hose this off. So as you can see, the water beads off really nice, which I think would help, you know, if you're driving this in the dirt and the mud, that's going to hose off a lot easier. So after the whole winter, it still beads off as if there's some protectant on there. Okay, so let me get some soap and I'll wash it down. Alright, so I've washed the quad down with some soap, and we'll have a look. See if there's any difference. So this seat, I remember, was always hard to clean. It always turned white with the mud and that, so I don't know. I don't think I would use it on this rough plastic again. I think it did help with the smoother plastic. But this, you know, this is just dried out. It's faded. I don't think anything's going to bring this back permanently. And this one was covered, so let's have a look at the one that wasn't covered. That one wasn't covered, this one was. So I just wiped this down. So I don't know, would I use it again? Probably not. I don't think it did too much. The only thing I'd like to try is if in the summer when it gets muddy, see if it washes off easier. Maybe I'll try it. But as far as using transmission fluid, I don't know. I don't think it was a big success. Alright, thanks for watching.